Hey Shay, my name is Eddie with Lionette Solutions, and in this video, I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely, you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, the answer is, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, bro. Please do this for me. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you the 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing I want to go over is content. So your guys' site, the way Google works and its bots and how they like to work is your main web page when you first load in to any web page, no matter where you come from, needs to at least have 1,500 words. From the looks of it, you guys have about, give or take, maybe 700 words, I want to give or take, but I don't know quite well. So one thing I want to show you guys is your guys' number one competitor is CGSD, Design and Build, and they don't actually have a better website than you guys, but they do have more words and a little more content on their main web page. So if I go into SEO Quake, it is a free tool that you can install and actually use on Firefox, Google Chrome, anything else. When I go into page info and I look at your guys' words, you guys only have about 383 words on your main website, on your main web page. With you guys' number one competitor, they actually, if we use the same tool, have about 634 words, which is a little more than what you guys want, or which is a little more than what you guys have, but it is ranking them a little bit better in Google and how they work. So in terms of content, I would say you guys want to add in a little more wording, and with how Google works, they want at least 1,500 words to 2,000 words on their main web page, in order to optimize a little better. So that's one thing about content that I would advise you guys to do. Next, next thing I want to talk about is citations. And basically, citations, what I can talk about it, or how to better explain it, is basically it's a Google Map pack or the maps on the results. So when I search up remodeling Austin, Texas, this is the Google Map pack. And these results we can see the business's name, address, and phone number. So now you must be asking, well, how do I rank in map packs? Well, it's citations. And basically, the more citations you have, the more you'll rank map packs themselves. Now, looking at you guys, Ace Remodeling in Texas, you guys have about 1 citation. If I look at your guys' number one competitor, he actually has 10 citations. And in order to beat this, I would say best thing you guys can do is put about 100 to 200 citations to beat out your competition by a landslide. Now, if I go into local citations, and I'm using the free version of White Sparks, again, it's a free tool that you guys can use, and I look at their citations, you can actually go in and grab those citations for yourself, and you can see that the overall domain authority is all on the right side of it, and that's the authority that's giving them the map hack in terms of where they rank. So again, these citations, aka naps, are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, Yext, CityStar, so on. Even Facebook has an area where you can submit a citation. The last thing I want to talk about is backlinks. Now, it's another important aspect of Google. We call this thing that gives you your site authority link juice. You can see when we search for Remodeling Austin, Texas, you guys aren't on the top page. It's actually your competitor. Now, when we go into a tool that I use, it's called Ahrefs, and we look at your website compared to your competition website, they actually have about 257 referring domains and giving them about 1,700 backlinks. Whereas in your website, you only have two referring domains, which is giving you 44 backlinks. Now, simply put, backlinks, in order to be at the top of the page organically in Google, backlinks work, or links, I should say, or simply put, works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B. Therefore, Site A is acting like link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes. Almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back to you. For example, if you have another renovation company or remodeling company linking back to you, that would be more effective than, let's say, Pizza Hut linking at you, because hey, you don't sling pizzas for a living. And in order to get these backlinks, all we have to do is go into Ahrefs and go to their subdomains, and we literally can go after every single one of these backlinks in order to help you and your business start ranking and get your business to number one. Now, again, three aspects I want to go over again is content. Your front page for Google should at least have 1,500 words. Citations, you should at least have 200 to 300 of these to beat out the competition by a landslide. And link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. And honestly, if you guys implement these strategies today, you can be number one across Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this all on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time and energy, you can give me a call at 512-823-0370. Once again, my name is Eddie with Lioness Solutions, and my number is 512-823-0370. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one.